Hi, everybody. This is the second tutorial in the social engage feature or social engage module tutorial. So if you watch the first video, it is our tutorial. We showed you how to create lists. And this one here was designed to be for individuals. I've since added one for a specific company. Again, you can do whatever makes the most sense for you or do both within your account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on DLA Ignite. Most of you probably know this is a company we're in partnership with. I'm a partner in the company, and it is. I just want to use it for demo purposes. So when I come over to LinkedIn, and this is what I think is the easiest way of doing it, I go to LinkedIn. You can click once you get to the company. You can click on their people. This is where you can do searches. You could find the individuals that you want to engage with. And what I'm going to do is I'll select Lenwood here. Once you're on any individual's page, their LinkedIn profile page, you can use the Chrome extension from FunnelAmplified, click Add to a List. You do want to check sometimes, like this one here, because he uses a middle initial, it put the middle initial in there as the last name. Just keep an eye on that. I would put him in DLA Ignite and click Add to List, and the lead was saved. And then what I usually like to do is I will go back in my browser. I would find the next person that I wanted to put into the group. And remember, you could keep doing searches and find different people. In this case, I'll take Mike, use the Chrome extension, add to list, and select OK. I do want to show this as a way also. What I have found what works very well for me is that while I'm in the news feed or I'm engaging with other people and I come across somebody that I go, ooh, I want to get to know them. I'd like them to get to know me. Then I may add them. So, you're coming through and you go, oh, I'm kind of curious. I like John. I want to get to know John more. I could come in and use the Chrome extension, depending on when you're watching this video, or create a new list feature is coming. So you may not see it right now. If you want to create a new list at this current time, you would have to come back into FunnelAmplified and create a list. And let me just do this. Let me say, and I would want to engage with them, say, every week. We can create it. I don't know if it's really necessary, but I've built a habit of just refreshing the page and then coming over here and adding them to a list. But again, depending on when you're watching this, the create a new list is coming into the Chrome extension, so you may not have to do that. And then you add them to the list. So it's just a strategy or a tactic that I've used when I'm doing my current social engagements. I come across people that I want to add to my social engagement, and that is the way that I do that. Again, with everything else in our tutorials, if you need additional help, our chat tool is down here on the left side. And of course, you can come into our tutorials based on the question mark here and search and find anything else you need. We always want to be here to support you, and don't ever be frustrated. Contact us and let us help you. Thanks for using FunnelAmplified.